I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I bought a $300 makeup box off of Amazon. So let's find out what's inside. All right, don't ask me why I'm opening this with a screwdriver instead of scissors. I do what I want. Now, ultimately, I bought this for the experience, not because I expect to have like high quality products, but I did spend, like I said, a little over 300 bucks. So I'm hoping that it's good at least. Oh, wow. Okay, there's like a good plethora of items in here. Don't like the lack of, protective packaging or bubble wrap inside, but whatever. Alrighty, so we have an AOA Studio liquid concealer. It's kind of yellow, so it might not work for me. We have a Wonder Blender high def makeup sponge. There is 3D faux mink lashes, premium natural lashes. I have the charity edition of this brand's setting spray. A lot of these products say AOA on it. I've never heard of that before. Ooh, Spascriptions mask. This is a age-defying metallic mask. I love their face masks. Next up, we have a gold face mask. This is a golden gel mask. Love that just because it makes me feel fancy. Like I said, a lot of these products are AOA Studio. I don't know what that is, but we have a perfect setting powder. It is soft light. Love that. I don't think it's translucent, but it's light. I prefer translucent, just saying. Alrighty, we have a baked highlighter. This is in the shade Cloud. Woo! Just dropped it. We have a new blush in the shade Darling. We have an LA Colors lipstick. This is in the shade Precious Plum. That should be good for me. You know I love a good plum moment. But this is pretty. So this is the AOA Studio Flower Child eyeshadow quad. Love that. Those greens are everything in that gold. Ooh, I'm excited to use this. Next we have some Malibu Glitz pressed powder. This is a smooth definition pressed powder. Kind of pretty. That should work for me. I must say I love the variety so far. Here's another pair of faux mink lashes. Again, different style, but really pretty. Those are really big. Definitely not going to work for these hooded eyes. Next we have another LA Colors product. This is a waterproof mascara. Interesting. Here's a tiny little bottle of foundation. Don't worry, it says it's buildable. It's a buildable satin foundation and definitely way too dark for me. No, maybe not. I've tanned a couple times in the last week, so maybe it'll work. Oh, well, if not, here's another foundation and I can mix them if needed. There's a lot of shit in here. Next we have AOA Studio Velvet Lips. This is a mousse-like texture lipstick, or gloss, I guess. Yeah, it's a cream lipstick with a matte finish in the shade Sabrina. Ooh, we have a Bright Eyes Under Eye Wand. That's awesome for when I'm applying my under eye cream. Love that, making me feel kind of bougie. We have a little silicone mask brush, which I don't really like these. I mean, I get why people use them for sanitary reasons, but sorry, I'm just using my finger. Alrighty, next we have two pomegranate sheet masks. Sheet masks don't really do much, but they're fun if you want to have like that moment. Then we have a black gel eyeliner. I'm glad it's a gel liner because those work best for me. We have an AOA brow pencil. And last but not least, we have a giant pack. I don't know how many's in here. There's a giant pack of face masks. It looks like about 10 or 12. I think it looks like 10. But yeah, there's a ton from Miss A, Shop Miss A. It looks like there's a lot of different kinds, so I really like that because I do like variety. But wow, I'm actually kind of excited. I love the variety of products. There's makeup, there's skincare, there's tools. I'm actually kind of happy with this. Do I think this was worth $300? Absolutely not, because clearly none of these products are like high quality or anything like that. So no, definitely not worth $300. Maybe $100, maybe. Okay, so I did some quick off-screen Googling and found that majority of these products came from a company called Shop Miss A, which is like known for $1 makeup. So if you want to see me do a full face of $1 makeup, let me know. And if you saw anything that you liked in this box, let me know. Maybe I'll send it to you. But that's all I have for you guys for today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.